Management. Welcome to our e-marketing strategy pitch for MIR3, European Expansion in 2016.
My name is Ingrid Sales Ferrer, and together with my colleague Jana Montagova, we would like to describe the details of our strategy. For MIR3, the ultimate goal is to develop and maintain its reputation in Europe, and so we build our strategy around this fact.
As the first step, we will start with explaining the industry situation in Europe, which will, together with our internal analysis, set the arguments for the rate segmentation and targeting.
MIR3 is operating in mass emergency notification market, and to get the ground information about our market, we performed an industry analysis. We discovered that Europe is the world's second largest market, where the biggest vertical for mass notification system are education and transportation. Country-wise, those are United Kingdom, Germany, and France. We have also performed an analysis on our competition and found out who are the European market leaders. We use information from their website as an inspiration for drawing our strategy. What our industry investigation revealed more was that a more intense collaboration between competitors is expected in the future, and MIR3 should therefore build up on this trend and offer a friendly attitude towards its competitors. Besides this challenge, MIR3 needs to keep digital trust in Europe, and then it's necessary to make adjustments of our promotion towards European market.
Now, regarding the internal analysis, we have looked on MIR3 current online status. Among our strengths belong excellent SEO results as well as mobile friendliness of our website. Content on our website is already very rich and segmented. The visual engagement is very high, with lots of action buttons and 24/7 service support. On the other hand, we are still lacking with page speed and we have some poor meta descriptions, which we need to improve. Several social channels are pretty inactive, which is holding back its potential. As for opportunities, we see a positive impact in altering our website content segmentation for European market, and also a translation will be needed. The threat of MIR3 would be a failing support service and also translation challenges. Altogether, seeing both the external and internal situation, we developed an objective of reaching and engaging 100 institutions in 2 different segments, and getting a 25 webinar sign-ups from each of them. In the last part of our presentation, we will describe our budget planning. Crucially, we have secured a competent team to realize our objective. Mas Gorban as VP of Corporate Development, Grof Bittner, the Business Development Manager, and full-time marketing intern Daniel Schmidt.
Segmentation and targeting. MIR3 has clear segmentation. The company wants to sell its service to business people from large organizations who face attitudes delays during emergencies. After the last terrorist attacks in Europe, many organizations want to have a bulletproof security for unexpected emergencies. The best targeting strategy for MIR3 is niche marketing because it is focused on a single segment, so we can concentrate on understanding the needs and wants of the particular market. We have to make a safe and trustful introduction in European market, which will help us to slowly expand into more segments later on. So start. We choose to target only airports and universities in Europe. In the airport segment, the total amount we can reach is nearly 6,000, and the European Airport Alliance may be a good source for our promoting efforts. Likewise, for universities, which has market total of 4,000, there are also some European associations that could be influencers to many universities. For both segments, we already own a large portfolio of American customers from the same segments, and those we will use to attract the European customers now.
Learning about the business practices in our 2 segments helped us to develop 3 key personas which we will need for a successful engagement. Persona 1 is a facility administrator in airport segment. In education, it's typically an executive manager. For this persona is important message that we will improve their organization effectiveness and bring safety and security to their company. Persona 2 is most likely a head of operations or COO who is looking for deeper information on cost savings, implementation simplicity, and generally the right product fit into their company operations. Then, Persona 3 is a life safety specialist or business analyst for public safety, and he or she is further evaluating the technical standards and legal safety measures. They are also concerned about support service quality. Now, in another form, Persona 1, Alesha Smith, is the executive manager of Cambridge University. She is a hardworking woman, passionate about her industry, always eager to improve her facility. She will be the first one discovering the beauty of Mir3 product for her organization. Persona 2 is Gustav Bryant, a law bachelor and master student in technical sciences. This man is very data-driven and critical thinker. He plans the processes and activities in administering the business system. He always looks for the most cost-effective solution. Persona 3, Darren Hodge, is now working as independent life safety consultant, but previously he had been managing teams in fire departments and emergency rescue services. He understands very well the newest safety regulations and he is capable of giving a fair, critical advice to his client organizations. We assume that Mir3 website will be visited by the Persona 1, 2, and 3 in that order.
Online value proposition. The cornerstone of our OVP is branding, and in our terminology, we call it established authority. By emphasizing our professional image, we will communicate our competences in mass notification and secure credibility of Mir3 in the eyes of our customers. This P&C serves as a pillar of our OVP. Our product belongs to the top quality and most innovative products in our industry. Our people provide 24/7 customer support, live chat, and social media presence. Explanation of process, such installation, and business implementation is crucial to our customers. We have lots of physical evidence to give credibility, customer testimonials, product certificates, and press release. Through partnerships, Mir3 will establish network in European technological sector. Regarding customization, Mir3 has an experience with many different organization types. Last but not least, SaaS product is all about convenience, together with online service and support we offer to our customers.
So now let's get to the heart of our strategy, the content engagement. Once again, you see our three personas for which we came up with different content types to get their attraction. The facility administrator, Persona 1, will get firstly engaged reading our infographics, slide decks, or case studies. She will easily also find a video of Mir3, as we have a lot of customer testimonials in video version. Then, the second persona needs more analytical, expert information. For that reason, we are offering white papers and other academic articles. We expect that Persona 2 can be already the decision maker for our webinar sign-up. However, in some institutions, only after safety review from Persona 3 we will get a webinar sign-up. Therefore, we provide more specific data sheets and tip sheets about our safety standards. Moreover, there are two important elements of our content strategy. One of them is content quality and the second is content virality. We have to keep in mind that our objective is to build credibility and therefore we need a high quality content which will be secured by our internal experts, and in later stages we'll aim to get some influencing partners to write a content for us as well. Content virality will be secured by use of social media, which will maximize our promotion impact at lowest cost. Social media marketing and PR is the best promotion channel for what we want to achieve with Mir3 in the European market. We are convinced that social media will help us to have the desired impact on European market at lowest cost. That being said, we believe that all the necessary base of our customers we are able to engage via social media, and in later stages we are going to support it by partner marketing. As for the social media, one crucial thing that Mir3 has to start is YouTube channel. YouTube is very powerful in Europe, and for engagement of primarily our Persona 1, we need to run an active YouTube channel. Moreover, we will use targeting of our personas on LinkedIn, as it provides the most extensive database of our customers. The third way of our engagement through social media will be Pinterest. Pinterest is considered as currently one of the most powerful places for business promotion, and so we will be active also there. Lastly, our Twitter and Facebook channels will be updated for European market. At the moment, we do not have strong partnerships in European market. However, our strategy is to build over time a strong technological alliance on vertical but also horizontal level. The triangle on the right shows once again our overall objective, which are the webinar sign-ups. We want to achieve them via two communication channels, primary social media and later also partner marketing. For that, we developed KPIs such as number of followers, number of views on social media, and for partner marketing, those are number of partnerships and then co-marketing events, co-marketing campaigns.
As stated at the beginning of our presentation, we were given a limited budget of 35,000 euros for the first 6 months of our European expansion. After we have done our internal calculations, we don't expect any financial deficits. We divide the spendings in different steps. The first one is initial study, when we will spend 5% from the budget. Then, with 10%, as for the operational planning, we will need to secure that our promotional plans are running. The last stages are most money demanding. We have reached our persona 1 and we will need to maintain the communication with his or her organization. Our major expected spendings are then special social media paid accounts, alliance fees for our promotions, translation service, and our sales team expenses, travels, and demonstration equipment. The table in the bottom right corner defines our expected conversion funnel of customers. Our goal is to reach and engage 100 largest universities and 100 largest airports in Europe, which means reaching their personas 1, who will further refer to their personas 2 and 3, what will eventually result in minimum 25 webinar sign-ups in each segment.
So to wrap up our presentation, we would like to show you the essence of our strategy in this graphic. For a successful European expansion, MIR3 is initially going to target two segments, airports and universities. Since the organizations in these segments are very large and complex, 3 personas were identified to be targeted in a specific engagement order. Every persona is interested in a different message. Blog posts, including our published articles, infographics, slides, and video links, are going to be the primary information which will be discovered by our persona 1. After that, more expert data will be offered for persona 2 and 3 in the form of white papers, data sheets, and crucially, our webinar sign-up call for action. What we aim for is to establish authority in the European mass emergency market. We will communicate by all our online actions the competence, credibility, and professionalism of MIR3. The primary channel we chose to realize our objective is social media marketing, which will be supported by partner marketing, as we are going to work on establishing partnerships and alliances. Doing so is going to have a deep and positive long-term impact on MIR3 in Europe. So, that was our strategy pitch. Thank you for your kind attention. We are looking forward to discuss more with you in person.